writing emails? So do I. And honestly, I thought that AI was pretty good at writing them. In fact, many people are now even building or using AI agents just to answer emails for them. Writing is one of the biggest use cases for AI. But then came the zinger. Sam Altman, CEO of ChatGPT, he said that he is back to writing his own emails. Why? To maintain clear thinking, psychological urgency, and authentic human connections. And then, of course, there were the obvious issues with AI email. AI bloat, you've seen it, where people use ChatGPT to expand short bullet points into overly polite, bloated emails. We want emails to be short. We want them to be to the point. We don't want to read essays when we're talking about email. Thinking, a lot of writing is a tool to clarify ideas that may be vague in your mind. So what happens? Your email comes out unfocused. The third big issue, it just is inauthentic. The email just does not sound like you. Not your tone, not your way of speaking. Let's face it, we have gotten too used to using AI. We are now hooked. So maybe there is a better approach, maybe something hybrid. So we decided to ask the 6 most popular AI systems one simple question. How do we write better emails with AI? Of course, our prompt was far more elaborate than this, and you can see the prompt right here. And after comparing all their answers, here's what we learned. We learned something fascinating. Each AI thinks about communication and email communication very, very differently. ChatGPT is focused on judgment and collaboration. Gemini focused on prompting systems and workflow. Claude focused on emotional intelligence and interpretation. Perplexity, on the other hand, focused on execution and usability. Grok on persuasion and optimization. And then, of course, there was Copilot, focused on structure and corporate productivity. But despite all their differences, every single AI warned about the same thing. AI-generated emails fail the moment they start sounding generic. So this is the number one pitfall that we must avoid when we're using AI to write our mails for us. So after combining all their advice, here are the ultimate list, the 8 universal AI email rules. Number 1, define the goal clearly. Before asking AI to write anything, tell it exactly what success looks like. What is it that you want? A meeting, a reply, an approval, a follow-up, a polite rejection. Most bad emails happen because you did not tell the AI what the goal is, and the AI is guessing. The clearer the outcome, the sharper and more persuasive the email becomes. Number 2, give rich context. AI needs context the same way humans do. First of all, feed it the email. Tell it, who is the recipient? What is your relationship with them? What was your recent conversation? If AI does not have these key details, how can it write something for you? Also tell it the constraints. Without context, AI fills in the gaps with generic corporate language. The more specific you are about the context, the more human and more relevant the email will sound. Number 3, specify the tone and the style. Don't just say write professionally. That's very vague. That usually creates robotic corporate emails. Instead, you can say professional but warm, concise and direct, empathetic but confident, friendly but not salesy. Tone is now the real differentiator. AI already writes grammatically well. The challenge is emotional accuracy, getting that tone right. Number 4, use bullets before drafting. This is one of the strongest points of agreement across all the AI systems. Instead of saying, write me an email, first dump messy bullet points. What happened, what you want, important facts, rough thoughts, and then let the AI help you organize it. This keeps the thinking human while AI handles the structure and cleanup. Number 5, keep emails short. Every AI agreed on this. AI naturally writes too much. Humans do not want to read long emails. So tell AI, please do this under 100 words. Cut the fluff, shorten it by 30%, make it skimmable. The best emails are short, clear, and easy to reply to. Number 6, generate multiple variations. This is where AI becomes incredibly powerful. Ask for a direct version, a warmer version, a formal version, a concise version. Within seconds, you can compare communication styles that would normally take a human much longer to rewrite. Often, the best and final email is actually a hybrid of multiple versions. Of course, you would only do this when the email is very important. Number 7, personalize before sending. Never send raw AI output untouched. Add your specific phrases, your references, your personal details, your natural tone, because people can increasingly detect the AI tone. The emails that perform best are the ones where AI helps with clarity, but the human still feels present. And number 8, treat AI as a collaborator. We keep saying this. This is not autopilot. This may be the biggest lesson from all the 6 systems. The best results happen when humans and AI work together. What do you bring? You bring judgment. You bring intent. You bring emotional intelligence. You bring relationship awareness. AI brings speed. It brings structure. It brings clarity. It brings iteration. The future of communication is not fully human or fully AI. It is collaborative writing. And finally, here is the most important takeaway from this entire experiment. The best AI emails are not created by pressing one button. They are created when humans and AI collaborate well. And when those two things combine, communication becomes dramatically more effective. In fact, to make this practical, we actually built a simple AI email prompt builder based on all these universal rules. You just answer a few questions and it generates a powerful AI email prompt automatically. You can download the HTML tool from the comments section. And here's an example of how I would personally use it for my podcast. Let's say I want to invite a guest onto AI Basics. We'll show you the exact prompt on one side and the final AI generated email on the other. Because the real skill in the AI era may not be writing the email itself. It may be knowing how to communicate clearly with the AI first. Thank you for watching.